Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day. First thing I want you to do, guys, is go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload new videos. And then go ahead and like the video as well. Now, I'm back, guys, and today I just want to show you a quick tip that I share with people. And I just want to bring it to you guys. And I've talked about it before. But someone asked if I would do a video on this. Okay, marketing on a budget. Okay, as you know, this is an affiliate marketing channel. And I show you different ways to make money online as an affiliate marketer. Okay, which means you have to invest. This is a home-based business. This is not a job. So you're investing in you and your future. So you will have to spend money to make money, okay? So you get into an opportunity, you say, hey, but you know what? I'm on a real tight budget, okay? So I just want to show you just a few things that you can do that you can still market your business, okay, on a budget, okay? So I'm going to go over and I'm going to show you a few things. Hang on one second. All right, let me switch over. Hang on. Okay, one way I do this is Vista Print, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to blank out some information, but I'm going to show you where I've ordered some things from Vista Print. And I tell you guys, you can use Vista Print to order you some sticky notes, some business cards, and so forth. So let me just show you that, and I'm going to show you how reasonable it is. Okay, so there's no excuses out here, because all of us spend 20 or 30 bucks just on junk. Whether it's lunch or just doing something that we could use this money in a better space instead of just blowing 20 or 30 bucks. You can take 20 or 30 bucks and put it back into your business, okay? So let me show you that. Hang on a second. Let's go over to Vista Print. Okay, I'm logged into my Vista Print's profile. Right here on this page, as you can see, this is one of my Press 1 business cards that I ordered from Vista Print. There's my Press 1 number right here. And I'm going to show you that's the front, that's the front, and let's look at the back. Okay, Easy Mobile Pay. That's the website. Okay, so as you can see over here to the side, $24.36 for 100 of those. Okay, sticky notes. Let me show you that. Okay, as you can see, it tells you up here sticky notes. This, again, is Press 1 Cash. That's my number. And over here to the side, you can see $3.50, guys, for some sticky notes. And $24.36 for 100 business cards. Okay? On a budget, so everybody can do this. Doesn't matter where you are in your journey. There's always a way. Okay? So right there, that's under 30 bucks. You can get started there. Okay? Let me show you something else. Okay, right here is the $100 drop cards that I've been talking to you guys about. Okay, again, that's my Press 1 number. Okay, Press 1, I marketed quite a bit, as you can see. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the back office and the price I paid for those. Okay, I'm in the back office of the place where I get these $100 drop cards right here. $14.99 for 100 of those with shipping. $23.90, guys. So no excuses. Everybody can market their business in some form or fashion, whether using sticky notes, drop cards, or the business cards. Okay, and then I'm going to show you one more traffic source that you can use. Okay, so hang on one more second. Okay, and then I have another source, my last source for you, so you can get some solo ad traffic. Okay, now look at this page. It tells you, need responsive leads for your business. Okay, and it tells you about getting you some clicks. Okay, 90% tier 1 leads. Okay, these are great. I just got this source and I've been using it now for a couple weeks. So for anybody that joined me in these programs that I'm going to list down in the description, I will give you this source. Okay, so get you some clicks. Okay, and let me show you the price. You're going to be blown away. Okay, hang on. Okay, targeted clicks, 90% tier 1 traffic, US, UK. Okay, check it out. Let me show you the price. Now, is that a steal or what? You can literally send 100 clicks for 30 bucks, 200 clicks for 60 bucks, and so forth. Okay, so I just want you to see this is a great deal, guys. So I'm sharing that with people that join me. I'm going to put a few programs below that you can get started with me in. That's only going to cost you a few $100, okay? Let me see, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to give you 3 programs that you can join, okay? And I'm going to put the link below for them. We're going to go with Club Cash Funds, only $100. Easy One Up is only $110 to get started, okay? The $100 level. Instant Cash Solution, okay, and then Copy Paste Ads. Those are the 4 simple programs, okay, that I highly recommend for a new person. You're gonna get ads, so you can put ads out there. We'll show you where to place ads, and then I just showed you a traffic source, and then I just also showed you your sticky notes, business cards, okay, that you can get, your $100 drop cards. So you can get started and you can still market your business on a budget, guys, okay? So I'm going to put the links below for those 4 programs. Join me in one of those programs. You get the source. Again, Easy One Up, you need to come in at the $100 level, okay? Because you're here to make money. This way you can make $100 commissions. Instant Cash Solution, you got the $100 level, $200 level, $300, and the $500. Copy Paste Ads has 1 level. You make $100 commissions over and over. And these are instant pay, except Club Cash Fund pays once a week. Okay? So these are the simple programs that I'm going to recommend for you. And then I have provided you with marketing resources, okay, that you can use to get started on the budget. Okay? So, with that being said, what I'm going to do is put the link below for these. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Okay? I look forward to working with you guys, and I'll see you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.